Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all very well. So friends, Janmashtami is coming very soon. That's why today I brought for you some special recipe for the Janmashtami. So friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapurni Food Express. Also, wish all of you happy Janmashtami. So friends, today I brought for you not one or not two recipes. Today I brought for you 3 recipes for the Janmashtami. Also, I show you how you can make the Bhog thali for the Janmashtami. So friends, let's go and see how you can make the Janmashtami Bhog thali. For Janmashtami's Bhog thali, first you serve the Semolina's halwa. Then I serve the 2 pieces of luchi. Also I serve the palms pakoda. And I serve the palms kheer. Because now is the palms season. That's why in this season I made the recipe with palm fruit. Then I serve different type of laddu because Janmashtami is famous for the laddu. That's why every year I made the laddu in my home. But this year I don't have any time. That's why I buy this laddu from the market. Also I serve some fruits. You can serve any type of fruits. So friends, let's go and see how you can make all the recipe at your home. In 3 recipes, first we made the Semolina's halwa. For this, first I take a kadai and give some ghee into it and melt it very nicely. Then I will give some semolina. I give here 200 grams of semolina. After give the semolina, now I will fry it in medium flame very nicely. Now I have to stir the semolinas all the time very nicely, otherwise semolina will be burned out. You have to fry it till it become golden brown. You can see few minutes it becomes golden brown. You have to fry it very nicely because how much you fry it, it will be very tasty. After few minutes, now I will add 100 grams of sugar into it. You can add the sugar according to your taste. Then I will fry the sugar with the semolinas very nicely few minutes more. You can see after become it little golden brown, I add the sugar. You have to add the sugar like this. After adding the sugar, when you fry it little more, you can see our semolinas golden little more brown. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to become golden brown. Now I will add some water. I add here 400 grams of water. You have to add double amount of the water of the semolina. After adding the water, now I will boil it very nicely. If you add less amount of water, it will be not boiled very nicely. So friends, you can see our semolina start boiling very nicely. When it will be boiled little more, you can see now you have to stir it with a spatula very nicely, otherwise it will be burned out from the lower side. And you have to keep the flame medium all the time. You have to stir the semolina 1 or 2 times like this. So friends, you can see our semolina boiled very nicely and no more extra water into the kadai. So friends, after boiling it very nicely, now I will add raisins and some cashew nut into the halwa. After adding it, now I will keep the flame low and boil it for 1 to 2 minutes more. After boiling it 1 to 2 minutes more, you can see our semolinas boiled very nicely and it becomes set. Now I will cool it down and rest it. Now I will fry the luchi. For this I take a kadai and heat some oil. After that I will give the luchi which I already rolled out. Now I will fry the luchi very nicely. You can see our luchi become fluffy. Now I will fry the another side of the luchi and fry it very nicely. You can see our another side of the luchi fried very nicely. Now I will put it down on a plate and fry the next luchi very nicely. Now I fry the palms fruit pakoda. For this, first I take a bowl and give the flour and rice flour into it. If you give the rice flour, the palms pakoda will be so crispy. Then I will add some salt, baking powder, little amount of baking soda and some sugar according to your taste how much sweet you want to eat. Then I will add palms fruit juice into the bowl and mix it very nicely. You have to mix the juice very nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. and it will be fluffy. When I give the pakora into the oil, my oil was so hot and the flame was high. You have to keep the flame high because when you give the pakora will not be fluffy if you keep the flame low. You can see our all pakoras fried very nicely and it becomes golden brown. So friends, our all items I made in my home with my hand very nicely. Here I show you 3 items how you can made at your home, and the another items palms kheer I already uploaded in my channel. You can see the video into my channel and made the recipe at your home. So friends, now I will decorate the bhog thali. For this, first I give the semolina's halwa and 2 puri. Then I will give the palms fruit pakora into it and I will add the palms kheer. After giving the palms kheer, now I will give the laddu which I already brought from the market. So friends, with this our today's Janmashtami special Bhog Thali is ready. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also, you comments me how much you enjoy the thali. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.